We are living through the most powerful transformation in human history. Not a war, not a political shift, but a technological revolution. One that could redefine humanity itself, even as our planet faces its greatest environmental challenge. This is the fourth industrial revolution, unfolding during a time of climate change. Welcome to Elemental Science Magazine. The term Fourth Industrial Revolution was introduced by Professor Klaus Schwab in 2011. He described a future where the boundaries between the physical, digital, and biological worlds begin to blur. This revolution is not just about machines, it's about intelligent systems that can think, learn, and even predict human behavior. Let's take a quick journey through time. The first industrial revolution brought steam power and connected the world by rail and sea. The second gave us electricity and mass production. The third birthed computers and the internet. Now, the fourth revolution is here, driven by artificial intelligence, robotics, nanotechnology, 3D printing, and the Internet of Things. This time the change is faster, deeper, and global. We already live in a smart world. Our homes can think, our phones can listen, our cars can drive themselves. Technology has become our partner, our tool, and sometimes our teacher. But as we move deeper into this revolution, one question grows louder. Can technology save us from the damage we've done to our planet? The Earth is heating up. We face rising seas, shrinking forests, and disappearing species. The fourth industrial revolution could become our lifeline if we use it wisely. Smart factories can reduce waste. AI can model climate behavior. Nanotechnology can create stronger, greener materials. Universities across the world are rewriting their curriculum. Physics meets biology. Engineering meets artificial intelligence. The pandemic proved that learning can happen anywhere, through virtual classrooms and digital collaboration. The next generation of scientists won't just study innovation, they'll create it. In 1999, Kevin Ashton coined the term Internet of Things, a world where every object, from your coffee machine to your car, talks to each other. These connections generate oceans of data. Cities like Buenos Aires already use IoT to predict floods and optimize sewer systems, saving lives through smart data. This is how technology and nature can work together. In the digital world, data is more valuable than oil. As historian Yuval Noah Harari said, those who control the data control the future of life itself. Every click, every post, every purchase creates a digital fingerprint. Artificial intelligence learns from it, shapes our choices, and predicts our needs. But as machines grow smarter, we must protect the essence of what makes us human. The more connected we are, the more vulnerable we become. Work has left the office. A designer in India can collaborate with a company in New York. A scientist can run simulations from their living room. The online job market is booming, but human connection is fading. Ratings and reviews have replaced handshakes and trust. In the digital marketplace, reputation is currency. Even democracy is evolving, and not always for the better. Social media algorithms can influence millions faster than truth can travel. Data manipulation shapes public opinion, elections, even ideologies. When control of information lies with algorithms, the line between democracy and digital dictatorship begins to blur. Factories are becoming intelligent ecosystems. Sensors monitor production in real time. Robots learn from data. 3D printing allows rapid innovation. The goal, autonomous manufacturing. Factories that adapt, optimize, and sustain themselves with minimal human input. Clean energy, minimal waste, maximum efficiency. The world's largest economies are already adapting through strategies. Each revolution has transformed our world, but this one will determine whether we still have a world left to transform. Technology can be our greatest weapon against climate change, or our biggest failure. The difference lies in our choices, our ethics, and our unity. From steam to silicon, from electricity to intelligence, we've always evolved. But now, survival depends not just on innovation, but on wisdom. The question isn't when technology will change, it's whether humanity will change with it. Thanks for watching Elemental Science Magazine. Subscribe for more.